Hi guys, welcome to Avodha. In this session, we're gonna learn how you can start your classes. Very simple. Come to Google and search Avodha, Avodha. Scroll down, you will see our website. Click on the avodha.com link. You can see two options here. One option is to choose your future, the other is existing student. If you have not taken an admission already, then you can choose your future. But if you've already taken an admission and you've received the email with the invoice and the credentials and everything, then you can click on existing student. Once you click on existing student, you will come with your credentials. There are two things you can do. Either you can enter the username and password that you had already set through your email, or you can scroll down and choose continue with Google. I generally prefer continue with Google. I'm just going to click on continue with Google. Please be sure that you're signing in with the account that you registered with Avodha. So you might have different kinds of Google accounts. Just be sure that you're signing in with the account that you registered with Avodha. In the upper left corner, in the upper right corner, in the upper right corner, you will see three lines. Just click on those three lines and you will see two options, search for a job and my courses. If you click on search for a job, then you will be able to access our jobs platform. Right now, I'm going to click on my courses. When you scroll down, you will be able to see your particular course. Just tap on continue. So if you're logging in for the first time, the option over here would be start course and not continue course. So just click on either start course or continue course depending on what you're, whether or not this is the first time you're logging in. It's that simple, guys. So now you're already at the course. It's that simple. All right, you can start consuming your course. All right, guys, thank you.